creativity drives innovation. The Innovation and Creativity workshops at B2B Multiverse Training and Learning Institute help you unleash new ideas, solve complex problems, and turn challenges into opportunities. Our design thinking and innovation workshops teach participants how to approach problems with a creative mindset, using design thinking principles to innovate solutions. Whether you're in business, education, or working on personal projects, this workshop is designed to help you enhance your creativity. By learning to think outside the box and approach challenges from fresh perspectives, you'll discover new, innovative ways to drive success in any field. Our Fostering Creativity in the Workplace workshops are designed for organizations looking to inspire creativity among their teams. We provide practical tools to help individuals and teams unlock their creative potential, leading to new ideas and innovative approaches to everyday challenges. From brainstorming new products to improving processes, fostering a culture of creativity can lead to breakthrough innovations that take your business to the next level. With B2B's Innovation and Creativity workshops, you'll learn to approach problems with fresh eyes, think critically, and bring creative solutions to life. Whether you're an individual or an organization, our workshops are designed to inspire, motivate, and unlock the creative potential within you. Ready to unlock your creativity and spark innovation? Join B2B's Innovation and Creativity workshops today and discover new ways to think, create, and lead. Contact us to get started.